Do you have a bulging or herniated disc? Are you dealing with numbness, tingling, weakness in your legs or low back? Keep watching till the end and I'll give you some ideas of what you can be doing at home so that you can stop that. In this video, we'll be sharing with you tips and strategies of what you can be doing at home to relieve the symptoms. Remember to watch right till the end because we'll also share with you what you can be doing if these exercises don't significantly diminish the pain right away. Hi, I'm Dr. Mimi, a chiropractor here in Walkersville, Maryland. What this channel is about is giving you tips and strategies of what you can be doing at home to revitalize your neck and back health so you can be living your best life without pain. If you want to receive more of these tips and strategies, hit the subscribe button or the notification button below so that you don't miss out on any of our weekly videos. Let's get started with those 4 exercises. The first one is Cobra. So to do Cobra, you want to lay on your stomach. You want to put your arms right next to your body, and those arms are going to be bent. You are going to extend yourself up, pushing down against your hands and lifting your torso up. You're going to hold this for 10 to 30 seconds, and then you're going to relax down. You want to do this 5 to 10 times, and what this is doing is it is increasing your flexibility. It is also loosening up all those back muscles so that you can have more stretch and also strengthen your core muscles. While you're doing this, you want to make sure that you maintain a normal breath. After you've done those 5 to 10 repetitions, you want to just gently drop yourself down. So the first exercise is the Cobra that's going to help reduce that pain from a herniated or a bulging disc. The second exercise is cat camel. So with cat camel, you're going to actually pretend that you're a cat or a camel. And what you want to do is you want to be on all fours, and then you're going to extend your torso up and round your back, and then you're going to drop your belly and extend your head up. You want to do this 5 to 20 times. That's going to loosen up your hips, your low back, your upper back, and your torso. So yes, cat-cow is a great stretch to help relieve that pain in your low back. The third exercise is called bird dog. So bird dog is a great exercise in strengthening your low back, your core, and also increasing the flexibility of your low back. To do it, you want to be on all fours, and you want to lift your opposite arm, opposite leg, while you are squeezing those low back muscles in the lift. You want to hold it for at least 3 to 5 seconds, and then you want to do it on each side at least 10 times. You can repeat each set 3 times, and this way, overall, you'll do it at least 30 times on the left and 30 times to the right, again, in sets of 10. The third exercise is wall plank or plank. For many people, getting down on the floor is too much. So we would recommend that you do what's called a wall plank. So when you're doing plank, you want to be on your elbows, and if you're doing a wall plank, your feet are a few feet away from the wall, and you're going to pretend that your body's like a plank of wood. You want to keep your belly, your back, all those muscles tense and taut, and while you're doing so, you want to relax those shoulders. So if your shoulders are up at your ears, oftentimes your core and your low back are not getting the most benefit of this exercise. So you want to relax those shoulders. You want to squeeze your belly, your back, your glutes together, and you're going to hold that for a count of 10 to 20. If you can do it longer, a minute, that's fantastic. If that's too easy for you, you can do a plank on the floor. So what you want to do is you want to get down on all fours and then put your elbows out like you're in push-up position on your elbows, and then you're going to hold that as if you are a plank of wood. Do that for a count of 20. If you could do it up to a minute or 2 each day, that would be marvelous. And again, that's going to relieve the back pain. It's also going to strengthen your core, so the back issues, the herniation, the bulge, becomes less of an issue for you. Some of the most common reasons for lumbar disc herniations are aging, smoking, and lifting heavy objects. With aging, what we know is as we age, the discs become less flexible, less pliable, often they lose water, and that causes more damage for over time. The second one, lifting heavy objects, again, they have a more pronounced effect as we age. So if you're lifting improperly, twisting, bending, that can cause a lumbar disc herniation, as well as smoking. Smoking can be a problem because that diminishes the oxygen to the blood, the disc, and as a result, it causes more herniations. Smoking diminishes the blood flow to the disc, and it makes it less pliable, therefore it's more prone to herniation. There are 4 things that you can do to prevent lumbar disc herniations. Number 1 is to maintain a healthy weight. Obviously, when you have more weight, it's going to add extra stress to the spine. Number 2, you want to maintain a good posture. When we have poor posture, it causes more wear and tear, more disc degeneration, and herniation problems. The other thing you want to do is you want to stop or reduce your smoking, because again, that's going to decrease the circulation to the discs and cause more likelihood of herniation. And finally, the last thing you want to do is you want to exercise. By maintaining a regular exercise routine, you're going to keep the spine pliable and fluid, and that in turn, keeping the muscles strong that support the spine, it's going to make you less predisposed to having disc herniation. Now it's your turn. Which of those 4 exercises are you going to try first? Are you going to do bird dog? Are you going to do cobra? List below what your favorite exercise is so that we can get some feedback and we can find out what works best for you. Now it's your turn. If you like this video, like it and share it, and make sure that you look at the next video where we're going to teach you more things to do to help reduce that back pain, whether it be sitting or standing, and help you keep yourself in the best shape possible.